Welcome back to your favorite channel, Inhouse Infotainment, where we explore the fascinating world of technology and its implications on our daily lives. As always, we are here to bring you the latest, the most exciting, and the most impactful developments in the tech world. Today, we have a special treat for you. We're going to dive deep into the world of AI, and more specifically, we will get our hands on the groundbreaking technology of ChatGPT developed by OpenAI. So buckle up, sit back, and prepare to have your minds blown as we embark on this thrilling journey. Let's dive in. Ever wondered how AI can simplify your daily life? If so, you're not alone. The concept of artificial intelligence, or AI, has evolved significantly over the years, transforming from a mere concept in science fiction to a concrete reality that's become an integral part of our everyday life. One such manifestation of AI is ChatGPT, a text-based AI model developed by OpenAI. This innovative technology is designed to understand and generate human-like text, giving it the ability to interact with us in a way that feels incredibly natural and intuitive. It's like having a conversation with a very knowledgeable and quick-witted friend who always has the right response at their fingertips. So from answering our questions, to helping us write more effectively, to even making us laugh with a well-timed joke, ChatGPT is changing the way we interact with technology. But how does ChatGPT work, and how can we use it in our daily life? Stay tuned to find out. So, what exactly is ChatGPT? ChatGPT, or Generative Pre-trained Transformer, is an artificial intelligence model developed by OpenAI. Now, before you get overwhelmed by the technical jargon, let's simplify this a bit. Think of it as a really smart computer program that's been trained to generate human-like text. This training involves feeding the model with vast amounts of data, which it then uses to learn patterns and structures in human language. It's a bit like how a child learns to speak by listening to the adults around them, but on a much larger scale. The result is an AI that can generate incredibly realistic text, almost like it's a person typing out the responses. But what makes ChatGPT so special? Well, it's all about the machine learning techniques it uses. It leverages a form of machine learning called transformer neural networks. These networks are great at understanding the context of a conversation, which allows ChatGPT to generate relevant and coherent responses. So where can we use this amazing piece of technology? The applications are virtually endless. Need help drafting an email? ChatGPT can do that. Struggling to write an article? It can help with that too. Want to create a conversational agent for your website? You guessed it, ChatGPT is perfect for the job. ChatGPT isn't just a tool for generating text, it's a tool for enhancing human productivity and creativity. It's like having a personal assistant that can help with a wide range of tasks, all while maintaining a conversational, human-like interaction. But remember, ChatGPT is a tool, and like any tool, it's only as good as the person using it. It doesn't understand the world or have beliefs or desires. It's just a machine that generates text based on its training. Now that we know what ChatGPT is, how do we use it? Using ChatGPT is simpler than you might think. Let's dive right in and get you started on this revolutionary technology. First things first, you'll need to access the platform. OpenAI's website is your starting point. Once there, navigate to the GPT-3 page. This is where you'll find the chat models. Now, you might need to create an account if you don't already have one. Don't worry. It's as straightforward as signing up for a social media profile. You'll need to provide some basic information and accept the terms and conditions. With your account set up, you're ready to start chatting with GPT. On the main dashboard, you'll find a text box where you can input your prompts. These could be anything from a simple question to a complex scenario. GPT is designed to understand and respond to a wide range of prompts. Type in your prompt and hit enter or click generate. Within moments, you'll see GPT's response. It's like having a conversation with a highly intelligent, always available and wonderfully patient entity. Remember, GPT doesn't tire or get bored. It's there to help you 24/7. But the magic doesn't stop there. You can tweak the parameters to get different results. Say you want the AI to be more creative, or you want the responses to be shorter. You can adjust the temperature and max token settings respectively. Temperature influences the randomness of the AI's responses. A higher temperature value will make the AI's responses more random, whereas a lower value will make them more deterministic. Max tokens, on the other hand, determines the length of the responses. A lower value will yield shorter responses. Experiment with these settings to get the desired output. Don't be afraid to play around a bit. After all, learning is all about trial and error. And just like that, you've mastered the basics of using ChatGPT. But what can you do with it? Let's move on to the next section to discover how you can apply this incredible tool in your everyday life. Opening. The applications of ChatGPT in our daily lives are more diverse than you might imagine. Let's delve into the different ways this remarkable technology can be utilized. One of the most common applications of ChatGPT is in assisting with writing tasks, such as crafting emails. We've all been there, staring at a blank screen, trying to conjure up the perfect words. With ChatGPT, you can input a basic outline of what you want to say, and the AI will generate a well-written and professional email. It's like having your own personal secretary at your fingertips. But ChatGPT isn't just for the mundane tasks. It's also a wonderful tool for sparking creativity. Whether you're a writer struggling with writer's block or simply someone who enjoys dabbling in creative writing, ChatGPT can help. You can feed it a basic premise or a few character descriptions and watch as it weaves a story around your inputs. It can help you come up with plot points, develop characters, and even write dialogue. It's like having a brainstorming session with a team of writers, but without the need for a physical meeting. And let's not forget about education. ChatGPT can be a fantastic tutor, capable of explaining various subjects in a clear and understandable way. Whether you're a student trying to grasp a complex concept, or a parent trying to help your child with their homework, ChatGPT can be a great helping hand. It can explain topics, provide examples, and even set questions for practice. It's like having a personal tutor available round the clock, ready to assist whenever you need. Finally, let's talk about social media. In this age of digital communication, we often find ourselves trying to come up with witty responses or engaging posts. With ChatGPT, you can generate content that's both interesting and engaging. It can help you craft responses to comments, come up with interesting posts, and even help you manage your social media presence. It's like having a social media manager, but without the hefty price tag. So, from writing emails to generating creative content, from tutoring in various subjects to making your social media more engaging, ChatGPT has got you covered. It's like having a team of professionals at your disposal, ready to assist you in various tasks. And the best part is, you don't need any technical knowledge to use it. All you need is a basic understanding of how to input your requirements, and let the AI do the rest. As we continue to embrace the digital age, technologies like ChatGPT will become increasingly integrated into our daily lives. They're not just tools to make our lives easier, but also powerful allies in our quest for productivity and creativity. Closing. As you can see, ChatGPT can be a powerful tool in our daily lives. So there we have it, a comprehensive guide to using ChatGPT. To reiterate, ChatGPT is a powerful tool birthed from the world of artificial intelligence, specifically designed to generate human-like text based on the input it is given. It's like having your personal assistant that can write, respond, and even think in some ways like a human being. We've explored how to use this intriguing tool. Remember, it's as simple as providing the initial prompt and letting the AI take it from there. The more precise and detailed your prompt, the better your results will be. Don't be afraid to play around with it, experiment, and see how it responds to different prompts. We also dove into the various ways ChatGPT can be integrated into your daily life. From drafting emails, writing articles, to creating engaging social media content, and even assisting in learning new languages. It's an all-around useful tool that can save you time and boost your productivity. But the applications of ChatGPT don't end there. It's used in customer service for providing answers to frequently asked questions, in entertainment for creating stories and dialogues, and in the tech industry for programming help. The scope and potential of ChatGPT are truly vast and expansive. The beauty of ChatGPT is its versatility. Whether you're a student, a professional, a writer, or a tech enthusiast, there are countless ways you can benefit from it. It's a matter of exploring, experimenting, and finding out how it can best serve your needs. And let's not forget, ChatGPT is constantly learning and evolving. With every interaction, it becomes a little better, a little smarter, and a little more human-like. As we move further into the age of AI, it's clear that tools like ChatGPT will play a significant role in shaping our lives. With ChatGPT, the possibilities are endless. So why not give it a try and see how it can simplify your daily life? Thank you for spending your valuable time with us today at Inhouse Infotainment. We hope that this guide was informative and has sparked your curiosity about the wonders of AI and specifically ChatGPT. If you found our content helpful and enlightening, and you want to stay updated with more insights into the world of technology, be sure to hit that subscribe button. Your support means the world to us. It allows us to keep creating content that enlightens, educates, and empowers. Remember, the world of AI is vast and ever-evolving. There's always something new to learn and explore. By subscribing to Inhouse Infotainment, you'll be the first to know about the latest breakthroughs and advancements in this exciting field. Once again, we appreciate your time and interest. Don't forget to experiment with ChatGPT and discover firsthand how this powerful tool can make your life easier. Until next time, keep exploring, stay curious, and continue to embrace the future of technology.